All right, so you're in your 20s and you're thinking about investing. Awesome. This is the perfect time to build a strong financial foundation. Don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to make this journey fun and interesting. First up, you gotta know your financial goals. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Maybe you're thinking about traveling the world? Or perhaps you want to retire early. Whatever it is, having a clear goal will help you stay focused and motivated. Now, let's talk about the power of compound interest. This is where your money makes money. And then that money makes more money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it'll get. Next, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and maybe even some real estate. This way, if one investment doesn't do so well, others might pick up the slack. Another tip, keep your emotions in check. The market will go up and down, and that's totally normal. Don't panic and sell everything when the market dips. Remember, investing is a long-term game. And hey, don't forget to keep learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Knowledge is power, right? One more thing, start small, but start now. You don't need a ton of money to begin. Even if it's just $50 a month, it adds up over time. The key is consistency. So to recap, set your financial goals, understand compound interest, diversify your investments, control your emotions, keep learning, and start now. Investing in your 20s is one of the best decisions you can make for your future. It's not just about making money, but about creating opportunities and securing your financial freedom. All right, that's it for today's video. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.